So you want to transition into becoming a data analyst, but you have no idea how to go about it. You don't even know what data analytics means, or even what a data analyst does on a day-to-day. But do not worry, in this video, I'll tell you every single thing you need to know about it. Now, the question is, what is data analytics? Now, data analytics is the process of making use of the data being provided to be able to gather the trends, understand the patterns, and also gain insight that will make organizations be able to make a good, informed decision. So now that you know exactly what data analytics means, and the question is, what does a data analyst do? How did they go about it? Now, in this video, I'm going to be telling you the steps that I would take personally to be able to unravel the patterns and insights, in any data that I'm working on. Step one, data collection. Now, I'll have to first identify where will I be getting my data? Will I have to query my data from my SQL or any database, or will I have to get my data from a CSV file or an Excel file? Now, once that has been identified, that takes me to step two. Now in step two, I'll go on to understand my data well. Now, once I've understood my data, that takes me to step three. Now, you may be given some requirements by your organization or what they would like to find out, or you may have to basically figure out what exactly the trends and patterns that I need to be able to analyze and present to my organization. Now, once this has been done, that takes me to step four. Now, in step four, before I start my analysis, I have to first clean my data, because at times you find out that data may come in a very unclean state where you have things like missing values, duplicates, and so on. Now, once I've cleaned my data and everything is all good, then I'm moving to step five. Now, this is where I'll be performing my analysis. I will make use of functions, formulas, pivot tables, power queries, and whatever that is within my reach to be able to analyze the data and gather those requirements that my organization would like to see and help them identify those trends and patterns so that they can actually get the insight that they deserve. Now, once I'm done doing that, that takes me to step six. Now, in my step six, that's when I go ahead, you doing data visualization. I could make use of the Excel charts in there, or I could also make use of powerful tools like Power BI, which is my favorite, or I could actually make use of Tableau to be able to analyze data in a visual way that will be visual appealing to my organization and also in a very dynamic way. Now, once I'm done doing all this, step six would or step seven would basically having to put up my recommendation. And this point, that's where I get to write down the findings that I found out during my analysis, the patterns that I have also seen or trends within a couple of months, couple of weeks, or couple of years, and I'll pen them down just so that whoever goes through it will be able to understand the data that I've just analyzed. Now, these are the processes basically that I would go personally, and any data analyst out there will go personally to be able to analyze any data. Now that you understand what data analytics is and what a data analyst will do on a day-to-day, if you do like this content, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share, and turn on your notification bell for more video tips like this. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.